Hello and welcome back. So, from today onwards, we are starting accounting of class 11th and 12th. Now, an overview of accounting. Now, what is accounting? Accounting is often described as a language of business because it communicates financial information to various stakeholders. Now, accounting is basically a language of business because it communicates financial information to various stakeholders. Now, what are stakeholders? Stakeholders are basically the creditors of the company जिनसे हमने उधार पे पैसे लिए हैं. Now, it involves a systematic recording, summarizing, analyzing, and interpretation of financial transactions. This process transforms raw data into meaningful reports that reflects the economic reality of the organization. Now, when we convert raw data into meaningful reports, that is known as accounting. Without accounting, businesses would lack the structured framework necessary to track their performance and financial health. Ultimately, it serves as the foundation or informed decision making across all levels of management. So basically, accounting kya hai? It is the foundation of all the business and it helps in decision making across all the levels of the management. नाउ कोर कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड प्राइमरी गोल्स. नाउ अकाउंटिंग का कोर कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है और इसका प्राइमरी गोल क्या है? डिफाइनिंग द स्कोप. एट इट्स कोर अकाउंटिंग फोकस करता है असेट्स पे, लाइबिलिटी पे, इक्विटी, रेवेन्यू एंड एक्सपेंसेस. इट इंश्योर्स दैट एवरी फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन इज डॉक्यूमेंटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू एस्टैब्लिश्ड प्रिंसिपल्स एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स. नाउ व्हेन वी डू अकाउंटिंग, we ensure that all the accounting is done according to principles and standards. हम लोग accounting standards आगे पढ़ेंगे. उसके according हमने सारे journal entries and सारे transactions को name किया है या सारे transactions को accordingly divide किया है. The scope extends beyond mere bookkeeping to include strategic financial analysis. It is not only just bookkeeping, it includes strategic financial analysis. So, identifying the objectives. Now, what are the objective of accounting? The primary objective is to determine the true profit or loss of the business. Now, what is the primary business of any अकाउंटिंग का क्या है? इन ऑर्डर टू डिटरमाइन ट्रू प्रॉफिट और लॉस ऑफ द इंटायर स्पेसिफिक पीरियड. जो भी फाइनेंशियल पीरियड है उसका क्या प्रॉफिट या क्या लॉस हुआ है, दैट वी सी. दैट इज़ वाई वी आर डूइंग ऑल द जर्नल एंट्रीज. दैट इज़ वाई वी आर डिवाइडिंग और बाइफिकेटिंग ऑल द फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड्स. ओके. So another is that accounting aims to provide a complete audit trail to prevent fraud and detect errors. Now अगर हमारी accounting होती है, so it helps in complete audit trail. When the CA comes and sees the financial record of any company, so it helps in audit trail to prevent any fraud or detect errors. It facilitates the comparison of financial results with the industry benchmark. जो भी हमारा financial results है और जो भी हमारे इंडस्ट्री का बेंचमार्क है, it helps in meeting out that and the competitors performance. अगर if we are already journalizing all the entries, if we are maintaining all the financial records, it will basically helps in competitor performance. कि हमारा जो competitor है उसका कितना profit है, हमारा कितना profit है, उस चीज़ को analyze करने में help करता है. So financially it ensures compliance and legal requirements and regulatory standards. So this is what it does. Now, how accounting drives business success and accountability. Key objectives in detail. Decision making and legal compliance. Supports management decision. Now this is very important. Accounting का सबसे important decision होता है कि it helps in management decision. Accurate financial data. जो भी हमारा accurate financial data है, it allows managers to make informed decisions regarding pricing, expansion and cost control. Now managers can take decision accordingly कि pricing क्या होगा, expansion कितना करना है, and हमारा cost cutting भी कितना हमें करना है, cost control कैसे करेंगे. It helps in allocating resources efficiently by highlighting profit and unprofitable segments of the business. We can actually highlight the profitable and unprofitable segments of the business. Stakeholders rely on these insights to assess the viability ऑफ असेसमेंट एंड क्रेडिटवर्दनेस ऑफ लोन्स. नाउ जो भी हमारे स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, जो भी क्रेडिटर्स हैं, दे ऑलवेज आस्क फॉर द फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड and they see whether we can actually invest in this company or not. वो profitable है कि नहीं है. तो stakeholders rely on these insights to assess the viability or the feasibility of investment and creditworthiness of loan. Without such informed strategic planning, बिना strategic planning के would be based on guesswork rather than empirical evidence. This analytical capability is essential for maintaining in any business. So this is very important that you need to bifurcate, you need to do all the journal entries, and you need to maintain proper financial records of any business. So ensuring legal and regulatory adherence. Now what is this? Companies must maintain proper accounts. Now companies should maintain a proper account to meet statutory obligations imposed by government authorities. Companies को कंपल्सरी अकाउंट्स मेंटेन करना होता है बिकॉज इट इज़ इम्पोज्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटी एंड दिस इज़ ऑब्लिगेटरी. प्रॉपर अकाउंटिंग हेल्प्स इन टैक्स रिटर्न, अवॉइडिंग ऑल द पेनल्टीज, and it helps in transparency of any company or business. Transparency required by auditors and regulatory bodies during external inspections. जो भी हमारे external inspections होंगे उसमें they will always ask financial records हमारा होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Adherence to standard accounting principles, and you need to follow the accounting principles. According to accounting principles you need to do all the entries. मतलब आप कहीं भी कोई भी entry नहीं कर सकते. You have to follow accounting principles. जो भी आपकी guidelines हैं accounts की, that you need to follow. Adherence to standard accounting principles ensures that the financial reports are consistent and comparable. जो भी हमारे accounting principles होते हैं उसके accordingly you need to do all the journal entries. This legal compliance builds trust and investors and protects the integrity of any financial market. The role of accounting in transparency. Now, what is the role of accounting in transparency? Transparency is a cornerstone of modern business, and accounting is the primary tool used to achieve it. Now, ट्रांसपेरेंसी इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन एनी मॉडर्न बिजनेस. इस लाइन का मतलब यही हुआ कि ट्रांसपेरेंसी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन एनी ऑफ द बिजनेस, इन एनी मॉडर्न बिजनेस, एंड अकाउंटिंग इज़ द प्राइमरी टूल टू अचीव इट. नाउ इफ़ यू आर मेंटेनिंग द अकाउंट्स देन यू आर ट्रांसपेरेंट बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग ईच एंड एवरी एंट्री. जो भी खर्चा है, जो भी एक्सपेंस है बिजनेस का, all of that is mentioned in your profit and loss account. So transparency है. By publishing clear financial statements, companies demonstrate their commitment to ethical practices and accountability. This openness fosters trust among shareholders, creditors and employees and the general public. जिसको भी हमारी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करना है, जैसे कि हमारे शेयर होल्डर्स हो गए, क्रेडिटर्स हो गए, एम्प्लॉयज़ हो गए एंड जनरल पब्लिक हो गई, all of them can actually see our financial records, and according to that record they can make decisions. So transparency is very important in business. When stakeholders trust a company's financial report, they are more likely to invest or extend credit. अगर कोई भी creditor, कोई भी stakeholders हो गया, कंपनी के जो भी stakeholders हैं जिन्होंने हमारी कंपनी में पैसा लगाया, जो भी creditors हैं, stakeholders के लिए another word is creditors, जिन्होंने हमें उधार पे पैसे दिए हैं. when they trust a company's financial report, जब वो trust करते हैं हमारी कंपनी को, then they are likely to invest. Now they will invest more and more money in our company and extend the credit period. They will also extend the credit period. Consequently, transparency leads to better valuation and improved access to capital for growth initiatives. So transparency is very important for the growth initiative, for the growth point of view. So now the conclusion is, the indispensable value of accounting is basically summarizing the vital role of accounting is organizational sustainability. If you need to sustain your organization, then it is very important that you need to do all the journal entries. You need to summarize each and every entry, each and every transaction of the business. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.